actually.
Hello, my dear friends. My name is G. Krishna Murthy. They also call me as Kitana. I am one of the uh, organizers or one of the trustees of Unique 360. The is Unique 360, which is arranging this Avotech program. I mean, of course, our idea was to see that the so many emerging technologies come to the public for so that they can come to know. But even myself, although I am one of the organizers, I don't know much about technology because I am a retired businessman. You have any particular questions? Please ask me. If I can answer, I will answer.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is the program is students are business useful, sir.
Student?
Students are business people. Business people.
అర్థం కాలేదు సారీ ఐఎమ్ బిట్ హార్డ్ ఆఫ్ హియరింగ్
Business people are students useful thing today's
See,
event.
no, technology is so pervasive.
Yes.
Technology has entered into all sorts of life. Be it business, be it IT, be it commercial, be it government.
Can I tell you in the
So,
back to come front and occupy the
those days are gone. Those days are gone that technology doesn't reach a particular sector of the society. It belongs to everyone.
Yeah, very good, sir. 70% students is there, no? That's why I'm asking that question.
Yeah, yes, we did try to attract guys, professionals guys, and IT world, but this time we were not so successful. Hopefully,
It's a
Avotech
huge program also.
2024,
Yes.
we may be able to get more general public, more professionals. S- Ultimately, our aim is to see that technology reaches a common man in day-to-day life. That's number one. The very idea of
Oh,
we
good afternoon
conducting
once again, ladies and gentlemen.
we conducting this one is actually it is for a fundraising program called Sankalp. That in Sankalp it's a crowd seva program. We collect in smalls from those who are interested in helping the downtrodden in the society. We pool the amount and give it to slum dwellers, lower strata of life, give them for their basic needs, for their basic health needs, and if we find an entrepreneur, we would also give them enough seed capital, a vendor card to start a micro business.
Very good, sir. Very good. Thank you so much. Great information, actually. Great words, sir. Thank you, sir.